Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stir-fry buldak. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces, along with 100 grams of chewy rice cakes and 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Don't forget your key seasonings: 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 sliced onion. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's infuse our chicken with incredible flavor. In a bowl, combine your chicken pieces with 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 teaspoon of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper and all of your minced garlic. Mix everything thoroughly until the chicken is well coated. For the best results, let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, allowing those spicy and savory notes to really penetrate the meat. It's time to cook our buldak. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add your marinated chicken and stir-fry for about 5 minutes until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Next, toss in your sliced onion, along with the remaining gochujang and gochugaru, stirring well to combine. Finally, add the rice cakes and 100 milliliters of water, bringing it to a simmer for about 5 minutes until the sauce thickens. Almost there. For that irresistible cheesy finish, evenly spread your 100 grams of mozzarella cheese over the hot stir-fry. Cover the pan and let it cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. To add a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Serve your delicious, spicy stir-fry buldak immediately and savor every flavorful bite. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.